Hey everyone, in this video I'll be making a BAD USB keylogger. So basically a BAD USB keylogger is a USB which when plugged into a PC will download a keylogger which will send me all the key presses from that PC. So don't forget, this is for educational purposes. Only use this on your own PC like I am doing right now on my own PC. And yeah, that's it. So this is basically a follow-up to my keylogger tutorial. So watch that first if you want to learn how to make a simple keylogger. To build a BAD USB, we will need this module, which is called an Attiny85. You can get one pretty cheap. It's $5 to $10. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy one. So this is the keylogger script made in Python. I have made a tutorial on it already. You can check it out on my channel, or you can just copy the code from the link in the description on GitHub. I have only modified it a bit by adding these statements here at the top. Basically, these just install PyInput and requests, since when this script will be run using the BAD USB, we do not know if the PC already does or does not have these installed, and we need these two modules to run the code. Before I continue, if you like my video, please consider donating. You can donate to me on ko-fi.com/justincoder or on my Patreon, and I'll mention your name at the end of every video. Also, if you have any questions or inquiries or want to hire me as a freelancer on one of your projects, you can contact me on Discord. My username is on screen now, and link to my Discord server is in the description. So basically how this works is we will have this script uploaded somewhere on the internet, and then our BAD USB, here is the script for the BAD USB, is going to download that script. As you can see, I uploaded it on GitHub, and it will download it, and then it will run it. And it will run it with the PyW extension. So that way it will run in the background, like the user won't see that it's open. So to get our script running in the background so that the user on the PC has no idea that this is running, like nothing will be open, it's really easy. All you need to do is change the name of your file. So I have it here, keylogger PyW. I just rename it and I change the extension to PyW like this, and then I say yes. So all I did was change the file name extension to PyW. And now if you run this, you can run it by clicking it 2 times. It basically runs the script, and then it closed everything, but it is running in the background. You can close it afterwards by opening Task Manager and just search for Python. As you can see, Python is open because our script is being run with Python. So you can upload your script anywhere, like I uploaded it on GitHub Gists. As you can see, this is my Gist. After you uploaded it, just copy the link and save it somewhere. So the BAD USB script is here. It is written in Arduino IDE. I'll link a tutorial in the description on how to set this up and how to set up your Attiny85 as well. So basically, you can download the script in the description if you want on GitHub. I uploaded it, but I'll explain how it works. So it just this here opens up this thing, the run thing. Then it will type in PowerShell, and it opens up PowerShell. As you can see here, it presses enter to open it, and then this line here is the main damage. Like this one downloads the script from wherever we uploaded it. So I uploaded it on GitHub, and it saves it as keylogger.pyw. Then it presses enter, and then it runs it using Python W. So you need Python on the target machine for this to run. So after you have this script and your Attiny85, your BAD USB, you can just plug in your wait, first you need to run the code, and after you compile it, it should say here in the, how do I make this bigger? Like this, it says here you should plug in your USB. So as you can see, I will plug it in right now, and I have plugged it in, and now it uploaded, and it will also run it. So as you can see, it opened PowerShell, it's typing everything, it saved it, and it ran it as well. Yeah, and now you can see I can close this and it will still work. So I'm on Discord right now. As you can see, I can use my keyboard, and whatever key presses I have here are going to be sent. Yeah. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this.